This quick video will show you how to access the DSM-5 in the Delaware Tech Library database. So make sure that you're on the Student Resources tab of My DTCC. Over here under Library, if you click this button, it'll open up all of the databases, and we're going to access Psychiatry Online. This would allow you access to the DSM library, and we're going to choose DSM-5-TR. Once you click on that link, you should see options to open up the different sections of the DSM-5, and for the psychology essay report that you're writing right now, you're going to need section 2, diagnostic criteria and codes. And then you'll be able to choose whatever your disorder is that you've chosen to write about. You should be able to go in and access the information available. Hopefully this helps. Email me if you have any questions.